So I'm in North Carolina. This is my first time in the
First
state.
time.
This is wonderful. I've been speaking across the street at the Raleigh Convention Center. This is Stan Phelps. Stan, we've known each other for a while. Tell everybody what it is that you do. You're amazing.
So author and a speaker, for me, really looking at the future of both the customer experience and employee experience.
And you're the author of what, like 10 million books?
A lot of Goldfish books.
Yeah, like 12 books.
Right.
So people who follow me, they're learning about productive leadership. You're a productive leader. You're helping people all over the place. What's one tip that you could share to help people be more successful in their careers?
So everything I do is about differentiation and standing out. And so what we find is that there's really two main things you need to do to stand out as a leader. One is embrace who you are, right? Not trying to be like everyone else. Embrace who you are and double and triple down, lopside those things that make you unique.
Overemphasize the difference of what you are.
And then second is you can't be great at everything. So it's the understanding that instead of trying to be normal and following everyone else, actually do less of some things.
Yeah, I talk about the value of activities, and it sounds like that's what you're talking about, is do less of the LVAs, less valuable stuff that anyone can do,
right?
And more of the most valuable activities that make you unique and different.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks for sharing that, Stan. Where can people go to learn more about you?
Purplegoldfish.com.
Purplegoldfish.com. Now that's different. Thanks for sharing that, Stan.
Thanks.